G'day folks, Jim Langers here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 20th of September. Markets have pretty much consolidated again today as they wait and see if the Spanish government is going to consider whether to ask for a full bailout or not from the EU. But until that happens, the euro's not really moving anywhere too far. It's largely traded within a 130 to 130.70 range today, and the market's sitting on the sidelines a little bit. The bigger mover today was the yen, which after reaching 79.20 following the easing by the Bank of Japan yesterday, has reversed course, and it's been down to 78.20. It's currently at 78.40. And the market's really deemed that the easing was not sufficient relative to that was done by the ECB and the Fed last week. So hence the yen has strengthened a little bit, and on the charts we've seen a key day reversal. So it looks to me as though momentum is going to remain lower, albeit probably rather slowly given the fear of intervention by the BOJ. So apart from the dollar yen being at 78.40, we've got the euro at 130.5. Cables at 162.20. That was weighed down a little bit by the BOE minutes, but it got down to 161.70 and it's recovered to 162.20 at the moment. And dollar Swiss is doing not very much at all, 92.70. The Aussie, that's squeezed a little bit hard from its lows. The market got itself a little bit short, I think, following the RBA minutes the other day. It's been up to 104.90 odd, and it's currently sitting just below that, about 104.80. Be a pretty quiet morning, I think, but we do get the RBA bulletin, and then probably more importantly the HSBC flash manufacturing PMI later on in the day. So that'll add some volatility, and it'll be interesting to see where they see the Chinese economy going, and that'll push the Aussie around a bit. The Kiwi is sitting currently pretty quietly just above 82.5, and that's waiting for the latest GDP data anytime soon. So that's really about it. It. All in all, it looks a pretty uninspiring session really today. There's a fair bit of secondary data out of Europe and the US, but nothing that's going to provide huge volatility, I don't think, and the charts all look pretty mixed. I expect a bit more of the same, really. So that's about it. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about all. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.